breathe, and I love what I'm feeling.
You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existence.
And it all began when I met you.
You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling.
You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. I met you. Oh, you gave me a reason for my being.
Madlang people, inibitahan po namin kayo, kaming dalawa na Mr. Christopher De Leon, na manood po ng aming pelikula, When I Met You in Tokyo.
Kasama po namin dito si Darren Espanto, Kakay Bautista, Lynn Cruz, newbie young actors John Gabriel, Japanese actor Jackie Wu with special participation of Gina Alahar, especially ito, special to para sa akin, anak ko si Lot Lot De Leon, Gabriel Gaman, Kuro Taguchi, and Teresa Cruz III.
When I Met You in Tokyo is the official entry to the 2023 Metro Manila Film Festival. At ito po ay produced ng JG Productions Incorporated. Abangan nyo rin po yung aming theater tour. Magkikita tayo sa December 25 and 26. Iikot po kami sa mga sinihan. Ito lang po, ang mararamdaman ninyo, it's a feel-good movie. Kayo po ay magiging maligaya, kayo po ay kikiligin, at kayo po ay makakaramdam ng emosyon. Yan po ang When I Met You in Tokyo.